right, this is number 5 on the Math 3 EOC practice test. If the denominator does not equal 0, which expression is equivalent? All right, so when I see this as a rational expression, the first thing you should think about is factoring. So I want to factor the numerator and the denominator so that I can reduce anything that's possible. All right, so on top, I'm going to rewrite x squared minus 4x minus 5 in factored form. So I've got x times x equals x squared, what multiplies to give me negative 5 and adds to give me negative 4. So when I multiply, I'm going to have 5 and 1. It's the only thing that will multiply to give me 5. And I know that I need a negative 4, so my bigger number has to be negative. All right, then you can check it. X times x is x squared, minus 5x plus 1x is negative 4. 1 times negative 5 is negative 5. So you factored that correctly. And then you can do the bottom the same way. X times x equals x squared. What multiplies to give me positive 20 and adds to give me negative 9. So that's going to be 5 times 4. And I need a negative 9, which means both of these have to be negative. All right, now that I have factored, I can look at this, and anything divided by itself equals 1. So that's going to eliminate the x minus 5 on top and bottom. So I've got x plus 1 over x minus 4. And then all of these look very much the same, so be very careful. These have x minus 1, so it can't be those. These both have x plus 1, so I need x plus 1 and x minus 4.